Imagine this, you just finished eating your lunch and you just had to sit down for work. How long would it take you to shift your focus from your lunch to your work? Or for example, let's say you come back from a party and now you have to prepare for a test. How long would it take you to get focused on the subject? The answers to this question depend on how quickly you can enter your flow state. The term flow means that you're deeply focused on one task at hand. To enter flow state, you must have your all attention at one place. And a lot of this depends on your ability to detach. You will have to detach from other things that are not important. It would be best to not think about a party or your lunch while working. Productivity doesn't only count on your quality of work, but also counts on how quick your transition is. The less time it takes you to shift your focus from the past to the present, the better it is. You will have to detach from the previous task to prepare your mind for the next one. I am not saying that you should not get a second of break and just keep shifting tasks in like just 10 seconds. What I'm saying is not to waste time thinking about the previous task when you need to focus on the present one. If there is a task that would take you 2 hours to complete, then just do it in 1 or 2 goes rather than splitting it into multiple sections and 5-minute breaks in between. Because if you split it that much, you are making yourself do more transitions and your flow is getting disrupted. Take for example, if it takes you 10 minutes to get focused, if you go for one sitting of 2 hours, then you will have to transition only once and it will take you only 10 minutes and you can focus 1 hour and 50 minutes straight. But if you divide it into 4 sections of 30-minute each with like 5-minute breaks in between, then you'll have to do that 10-minute transition 3 whole times, taking half an hour extra, and you'll be able to focus for only 1 hour and 20 minutes. You can easily see the difference between the quality time spent. And here you put 5-minute breaks in between which add up to 15 minutes extra. But if you take that whole break after completing the 2 hour sitting, you will get more pleasure because by splitting it, you'll stress upon every break that, oh, I still have a lot of work after the break, and your break won't be much of a break. Your brain would get tired after so many transitions and the breaks aren't real. I'm not saying that you cannot do it because your mind can adapt to anything, but it is good to have an uninterrupted flow for a longer period of time, and that's why you should not keep your phones near you as any notification can interrupt your flow. This helps a lot in getting maximum output with minimum effort. If, for example, you have to get good grades by studying less, then that less time should not include that you are taking so-called breaks which stress you out and you get even more tempted to scroll on social media. Because if you keep shifting your focus from the subject to some 60-second videos every 30 minutes, then your attention span and focus will just evaporate. Isolating your workspace is also great because you are cut from the distraction of the open space. Another blunder that a lot of people make, and I also did earlier, was going on some like 128 side missions every day like an NPC. I've seen people do like 80 things a day and say that the day was productive. You can either perform 100 tasks with 1% efficiency or 5 with 95% efficiency. You will have to sacrifice things that don't align with your goals. For example, mostly playing video games is unnecessary because beating Minecraft hardcore doesn't make sense if you can't even beat your competition in real life. Why do you want to boost your levels in video games when you can do the same in real life? And once you level up in real life, the pleasure is much greater than that instant gratification you find in the game. And lastly, your physical fitness also plays an important role in increasing your focus. Studies have shown that physical activities and a healthy diet improve your concentration, so go to a gym or play a sport or just do some push-ups. And you should plan your next day the night before, because if you give yourself, your mind, the decision that what you have to do at that time, then it will mostly choose something random and useless.